Okay, so I want to do a quick, frogs are gonna make doing the frog thing. Okay, so I want to make a quick video updating this Agri-Fab aerator while this is on my mind. So Harbor Freight, $7.99 or about $8. I forget exactly. It's something like that for this 5/8 inch inside diameter hub, rim, and tire. The bolts was the 1/2 inch diameter, so I was like, well, I could get a, oh, they call them a bearing, a sleeve bearing, but to me they're a bushing. Um, a 1/2 inch to 5/8 inch adapter. Um, since this is already a dual bearing with the inner and outer side and a gap in between, I was like, well, those are 1/8 of an inch in length, so I could cut it in half and then somehow adhere to the bolts. And I started thinking, what kind of tube is available? And I went and found the 1/2 inch. I think it's a 1/2 inch pipe. Yeah, the 1/2 inch pipe, and that happens to be 5/8 inch outside diameter, which fits about perfect. The inside diameter is a little larger than 1/2 inch, so I was thinking, well, I'll maybe cut another piece of pipe, cut a slit down the length, and then crimp it in and press on. And I was like, I wonder, it made some aluminum screen. Actually, I was thinking JB Weld and paper towel and then just slide on. But then I was thinking, well, I'll JB Weld and then aluminum screen. And then I was just like, well, how's the aluminum screen fit? And I'm like, that fits pretty tight. And I don't use Aerator that much, so if it does get looser, I can, you know, adhere with a better quality polymer. But I'm thinking for now I'm just going to use that aluminum screen wrapped around just one layer and then slid the 1/2 inch copper pipe length on, and then there it is. There's actually more slop in the bearing than there is in that new axle. So, hey, that's was more cost effective than the sleeve bearing. But I happen to have both lying around, so there you go. Be safe, stay healthy, and until next time, make something, repair something, restore something, save something.